Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about moving forward. What do you want to move forward in your life? We're still new into the new year, and I am wondering, sorry about that, that's my computer. Well, in order for us to move forward, we have to make sure that we've forgiven everybody, forgiven our past, forgiven people in our past. I don't care what they've done. I've been raped, molested, left for dead, choked. Okay, I get it. They did you wrong. They cheated on you. They walked out on you. They left you with children. They broke your heart. I get it. I've been through it. It's awful. But in order for us to get to the next level in our lives, and you will see this in all the great people that have achieved wealth in their lives or any type of success, they had to forgive. If you've ever heard Oprah's story, she had to forgive. She was raped, had a child, lost a child, raped by a family member, as I was, my own dad, before I was taken away. Okay, we get it. Lots of people, you can go story after story after story about how people have been wronged. But you know, the crap that you've gone through, that's what's going to make you. That's what's going to connect you with another person that is wanting a way out, a way to a better life. That will connect you with them so that you can show them the way. But first, you must forgive. Do some deep cleaning in your own life, soul searching. Ask God to reveal any place you haven't forgiven somebody. And way back where you can't remember. Of course we can't remember. Most of us can't remember. Way back to when we were a baby. And make sure, go through each scenario. And I know this sucks. We don't like to remember certain things. But unless we get it out of our system and consciously, I forgive on purpose. I choose forgiveness. I choose to forgive you that hurt me. I wish you well. I love you. I let you go in love. Be healed, be loved, and bring the healing to yourself. And with that, you are making the steps progressively to move forward in your own life and ready yourself, your foundation, for success in your own life. You don't want to carry around that baggage. I did for years and years and years, and it got me nowhere. It just weighed me down, depression, suicidal. It was awful. It was awful. And many, many, many other people are out there. But if you search our greats of the world, the people before us that wanted to achieve big things and help other people, that was one of their biggest steps, was forgiveness. So I encourage you to go through your own life, however big, however little, whatever. Forgive the people in your life. And most importantly, forgive yourself for allowing people to hurt you when you got to a certain age. Sometimes we aren't taught to fight back or stand up for ourselves. And that was a hard one for me. I let abusive relationships and almost being killed in my life because I thought I was doing the right thing by being nice. I was scared out of my mind. That's not the way to be. God gave us a choice. God gave us a mind to think with. The universe empowered us with coping skills. Do what we can do and leave the rest to God. We can get out of our situations. We can help each other get out of our situations. And by the first step is If you're in an abusive situation, I encourage you to step out and get help. Whatever it takes, get help and get out of it. Second of all, work on forgiveness for yourself and for the other person, depending on your circumstances and everything. Please, yes, get help. That took me a long time to do. I was scared every time I tried to get help. It was no fun, no fun, no fun. But anyway, yes, let's work on forgiveness so we can go to the next step of prosperity and working with other people to help them also. Remember, you are deeply loved. God bless you all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And donations are accepted if you feel my work is helping you. And thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a fantastic day.